Cursive lowercase p, the reason why the p follows the j is because they are similarly formed. So you'll start at your baseline with an undercurve stopping at that imaginary halfway point in your line, slant, and your slanted line goes halfway into the line below it. We have a loop back and an overcurve just like the J, curve back, retrace, undercurve. So it's kind of like a joining of J and an S. So if I cover this first part, there's the J. If I cover here, it almost looks like an S. We have undercurve, slant, loop back, overcurve, retrace, undercurve. Sorry, I forgot to say that loop back part. Undercurve, slant, loop back, overcurve, curve back, retrace, undercurve. Undercurve, slant, loop back, overcurve, curve back, retrace, undercurve. Now let's talk about the one that I just did. Do you notice how I started to separate? Now it really looks like a J and an S. So you really want to make sure when you do your loop back into your overcurve that you keep that angle, that diagonal angle. Otherwise, when you start to separate, it no longer looks like the letter P. So be careful and don't do that. Undercurve, slant, loop back, overcurve, curve back, retrace, undercurve. Again, do you see? So even I do it sometimes, but I would say out of all of the ones I did, there were two. I started to separate. I want to be aware of that. Here are some words that you can practice. Pop. P O P. The only tricky part in pop is the transition between the O and the P. Up. U P. Rope. R O goes straight into the P. E. Jump. I'm going to skip a line. J U M, 3 humps. P. Lift up your pencil. Don't forget to go back and dot your J. And pup. P U P. One other thing to recognize, how low you're going into the line below. Wouldn't you say I need to redo pup? Because my P is going beyond that halfway point. I don't want to go halfway into the, I don't want to go more than halfway into the line below. P U P.